Kim Jong-un, born between January 8, 1982 and January 8, 1984, is the supreme leader of North Korea since 2011. The chairman of the Workers' Party of Korea, WPK, he is the second child of Kim Jong-il, 1941 to 2011, and Ko Young-hui. He is the first North Korean leader to have been born after the country's founding. Muhammadu Buhari GCFR, born December 17, 1942, is the President of Nigeria, in office since 2015. He is a retired Major General in the Nigerian Army and previously served as the nation's head of state from December 31, 1983 to August 27, 1985. Uhuru Muigai wa Kenyatta, born October 26, 1961, is a Kenyan politician and the fourth President of the Republic of Kenya. He served as the Member of Parliament, MP, for Gatundu South from 2002 to 2013. Currently the chairperson and a member of the Jubilee Party of Kenya. Hassan Rouhani, Persian, born on November 12, 1948, academic, former diplomat and Islamic cleric. He has been a member of Iran's Assembly of Experts since 1999, member of the Expediency Council since 1991, and a member of the Supreme National Security Council since 1989. Rodrigo Roa Duterte, born March 28, 1945, also known as Digong, is a Filipino lawyer and politician who is the 16th and current President of the Philippines. He is the first minded Awan to hold the office. At 71 years old, the record was previously held by Sergio Osmeña at the age of 65. Narendra Damodar Modi, Gujarati, born September 17, 1950, is an Indian politician who is the 14th and current Prime Minister of India, in office since May 2014. He was the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014. Modi, a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party (BJP). Xi Jinping, born June 15, 1953, is a Chinese politician currently serving as General Secretary of the Communist Party of China, President of the People's Republic of China, and Chairman of the Central Military Commission. As Xi holds the top offices of the party and the military. Vladimir Vladimirovich Putin, born October 7, 1952, is a Russian politician serving as President of the Russian Federation since May 7, 2012, previously holding the position from 2000 until 2008. He was Prime Minister of the Russian Federation from 1999 until 2000, and again from 2008 until 2012. Mark Rutte, born February 14, 1967. Is a Dutch politician serving as Prime Minister of the Netherlands since October 14, 2010, and leader of the People's Party for Freedom and Democracy, Vox Partij Vrijheid en Democratie, VVD, since May 31, 2006. Barack Hussein Obama, born August 4, 1961, is an American politician who served as the 44th President of the United States from 2009